Hey y'all, coming to y'all with the cook with me. This recipe is one of my aunts. She taught me when I was a little girl. It's a broccoli and cheese casserole, and you have rice, ground sausage meat, broccoli, and your choice of any type of creamy cheese. So what I'm doing here, I'm just basically stirring up my meat and like getting my rice together and my broccoli together. That's the type of broccoli I bought. It's from Walmart, but you can get whatever type of broccoli you want from whatever place you go to. But for the rice, I think the best option would be the bag rice, so it won't be really mushy, or maybe parboiled rice. I think that's what it's called. And this recipe, it don't take long at all. Like, you will see me going from the pots on top of the stove to it coming out the oven. I didn't show each step like that, but you guys know when the cheese melt, it's done. That's all you have to do in the oven is just melt the cheese because it's already done. You cook it on top of the stove. Now, I don't quite remember what my aunt used, but I used onion powder, seasoning salt, complete seasoning, and I want to say garlic powder. Yeah, garlic powder. And just season it to your liking. Or you don't even have to use the same seasonings I used. And you would see I put the seasoning before. I had already seasoned it, but I put it in the meat only And then I just added sea salt to the broccoli and the rice. So here's the cheese that I use. It's the original melt and dip cheese it's the Great Value from Walmart. Here I already put the sausage meat and the broccoli and the rice together, and then I cut up the cheese. So make sure when getting the cheese that you get the original and not the 2%. I think that's what it is, or fat free or something like that, because it don't taste too good to me. It don't melt right either. And you know what? You can also use a low carb option and take out the rice and put the cauliflower rice in if you do low carb. And y'all better come with y'all strong arm, because boy, it's rough mixing this up. When I tell you it's rough. But here I got all of it done, and it's once you stir it up, you can go ahead and eat it, or you can pack it and take it to the barbecue wherever y'all gonna go. But they're gonna love it wherever you go. I remember my aunt doing it on top of the stove. Like once she get everything cooked, she put it together and mix it together. But she used another type of cheese that I won't tell anybody because it's like a secret. So I don't give you quite the whole full recipe. And there you go, guys, the finished product. Don't be drooling on that computer getting all messed up now, because it do look good. Now don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all.